The first thing we did in this house was paint. These yellows and oranges aren't my wife's jam. My wife bought this mirror. It weighs like 80 pounds, and I was particularly proud of hanging it over the fireplace and having it be perfectly level. We didn't like this black granite around the fireplace or the off-white mantle trim. You should obviously wear eye protection when you're breaking up this granite. I'll replace the hearth slab with a piece of marble that's the exact same size. That way we don't have to mess with this hardwood floor. I don't have any pictures of me installing the new marble hearth, but it's super heavy, so just bring it in carefully. Use silicone to hold it down, and use these suction cup things to move it around into place. I covered the fireplace with hardy board. I used pieces of the old granite as a spacer. The new marble has to slide under here. This is screwed on the outside, but I used high temperature glue across the fireplace. It was hard to find a tile that matched the hearth, but we eventually figured it out. The tile can slide behind the mantle trim on the outside, so I really only have to worry about making cuts for the fireplace opening. I cut a scrap piece of drywall to the exact size of that fireplace opening. That way I can cut and fit all the tile on the dining room table as opposed to on the wall with the mortar quickly drying. I think I paid $150 for this wet saw, and then I had to buy this special blade for marble. Again, eye protection here. Don't be an idiot. I found these little bullnose trim sticks that I was able to use to go around the inside. I painted the mantle trim white, and that was it. Thanks for watching.